Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here my first ever model kit from Mecha Industry. And when I say first, it means there will be second, which will be released in 2025, and that will be their version of Gundam Wing Endless Waltz, and that would be the Oberon. Yes, that's the name, Oberon. But for now, I have here the Charon. Sounds like Chicharon in Filipino. That's a pork skin. So this is the Charon model kit, and this is my first ever Mecha Industry, and this is Chinese model kit, original Chinese model kit design. And as what I see in this model kit, it looks like a Strike Freedom with some Gundam Exia vibes because of the blade here, and the wings looks like Freedom, something like that. And this will be a big kit, as you can see in the box. This is a big box, and it has so many parts, especially for the backpack, and that's what I observe in Chinese model kits. They like their kit to be big, especially the backpack. So in Filipino, it looks like parol. I can say, mukha itong parol. Mukhang sasali sa Santa Cruzan. Just like the Martial Emperor, which I already bought 2 weeks ago, and hindi ko pa nabubo. I didn't started building it yet because I got so many backlogs. Anyway, let's check this Charon. Let's check this kit out, and let's see what this Mecha Industry has to offer the buyers and collectors. Yes, the box is really big, and we can see here the Charon. It has a good posing box design here. I really like the appearance of the artwork, which looks like a Gundam. You can see here the logo of the Mecha Industry. So this is another model kit brand from China, and they will release another set of this next year, which is the Oberon. And there we got the Charon. To be honest, I don't like buying this because I'm really waiting for the Oberon, but I just want to see what kind of plastic quality Mecha Industry has to offer us, and to check if the quality is good. So if this Charon is not good, I will not buy the Oberon, but just tried. So there, this is a 1/100 scale. So this is a plastic model kit. It says here built up Mecha Industry. So on the side of the box, we can see the front view, the rear view, and yep, it has some lighting here. If you put it under UV light, there will be some light effects for the clear parts, I think. And these are the weapons or the backpack contents. So the backpack is really back heavy, as I can judge the way it looks. See, this would be a back heavy kit. Para siyang sasali sa Santa Cruzan, di ba? Ayan, ang laki. But the color combination for this kit is really nice. I like the color combination for this kit. It really looks like a Gundam for me, and I like it. I like the color, especially this blue one for the clear parts. So again, we can see some gimmicks for this kit. There will be missile hatches on the shoulders. It can kneel like this. Then can wield some knife or beam sabers, beam knife like that. And this one looks like an Exia or Gundam Kant full saber like weapon, something like that. And this kit is a close combat model kit or mecha type. So it doesn't have any guns, but judging the way these dragons are floating on the side of the kit, if you put it on the stand, it can be somehow like the new Gundam weapon. It has a fin funnel effect for the backpack. There it has a big sword, beam blades, something like that. Okay. So if we open the box, you can see here the instruction manual, which is still on or in a plastic wrap. So let's open this first and let's review the manual. And there we got some metal etching parts here, which is very nice for those who really are really into designing mecha. This is a plus point for adding this etching parts. And we got here dry transfer decals, which, as you know me, I don't like applying this to my kit because this is a tedious job to do. Okay, so this is the manual. It's a white manual. The paper texture is matted, which is very nice. My first time to see this kind of manual or feel. I like the feeling. It's matted. And let's check the parts here. It has so many parts. So see, there are double runners here, double sets. So it has so many parts, as you can see here. Then the usual printout for the instruction manual of Chinese kits. These are black and white, but easy to understand because I'm already used to Chinese model kits already. You know, I'm a Bandai collector, but now I started loving Chinese model kits, the original designs. Okay, so these are all in black and white. Okay, and these are the decal placement, and the kit can be posed on an action-based stand. Okay, let's go to the parts here. We got chunky parts. These are dark blue parts. So it looks like gray in the video, but in actual, these are dark blue parts for, I think these are for the wings. We got this clear sky blue parts, which is very nice. I really like the appearance of this sky blue parts for the action-based stand, the beam saber, and the wing blades. We got white parts here, and these are already grouped. So we got two runner K here, so it's easy for me to sort the runners already because these are in group. So these are runner P here, and these are dark blue parts. We got yellow parts, and again dark blue parts. We got white parts for the action base, and we got blue parts here. Another blue parts, gray parts for the inner frame, white parts and gray parts for the inner frames and armor pieces or armor parts. And there we got the black parts for the inner frame, white parts and gray parts for armor pieces and inner frame parts. And finally, we got this nicely printed Charon logo on the action base stand. Okay, so I like the kind of plastic wrapper this kit has because I can recycle this and put my spare runners or spare parts inside of this. And these are the plastic wrap with paste on the top, so you can seal it immediately. I will recycle this plastic. Let's save Mother Earth by saving this plastic. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And judging how the plastic feels, this has the vibes of a Bandai kit already. This in par with the Bandai plastic quality. And as you can see, I don't know if this is available on the camera, but if you try to look on the plastic closely, it has a glittering effect. It has a glittery effect on the plastic. So I think when they made this plastic, they mix it with some, glittery, shiny effects, something like that. So here we got dark. I don't know. In the camera, it looks gray or dark, gray or black, but in actual, it looks like dark blue, to be honest. It's in my perception. So this is runner N. We got two runner N here. We got two runner P for this one, I think, for the backpack and some inner frame parts. By the way, this runner N, I think, for the backpack parts and some inner frame parts, I presume. Okay, so we got here two runner G. These are blue runners for armor pieces. We got this white runners here, two runner M plastics, or two runner M sets here, white parts. We got this semi-clear light or sky blue color, which is very nice, and this has a rubbery feel. So this is not brittle. At first I thought this would be a brittle clear plastic, but this is somehow rubbery. So this is runner T for the blade, blue blades, and runner W for the stand on the dragoons and beam saber effect parts. Okay, then we got here two runner K for armor pieces. So these are white plastic. We got here gray plastic for the inner frame parts, which are runner C, two runner C. We got here white plastic parts for the armor pieces. This is runner J. We got runner D here for the manipulators. So it somehow got a big hand, but see, what the heck, the open hand here is broken due to maybe from the packaging. But it's okay because I will not be using this kind of hands since I will shift this kit into Dalin decal hands. Okay, it's not a big deal for me. Then we got here Runner L white parts for armor pieces. We got Runner B here, black plastic for the inner frame parts. We got Runner S for the yellow parts here. And by the way, the yellow here is very, very nice. It doesn't look like a McDonald's yellow plastic. But this is somehow, I don't know in the camera if this appears like a yellow-orange type of color. Okay. And here we got Runner R for armor pieces, or rather inner frame parts. Blue parts again for armor pieces. This is Runner H. And finally, we got two sets of Runner A plastics or inner frame parts. So these are black plastics. And for the stand here, I didn't open this yet, so I just combined the base and the action base parts here. Okay, thank you very much for watching this unboxing review of Charon from the Mecha Core industry, and I'm happy to know that this kit has a good plastic quality, except for that hand that is broken, but it's not a big deal since I will use the Dalin decal hands. So I am convinced that the Oberon will have the same plastic quality, and I will buy that soon. Okay, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Happy building, guys. Good night.